Hello everyone, high signal, low noise here. If you've got a problem with your refrigerator where you're seeing some water in front of your refrigerator every once in a while, and you're having to use a towel to clean it up, it could be that your defrost system is frozen up. So what you'll do is you'll clear out your freezer, and then you'll see ice would be collected here in the bottom of your freezer. And then from there, if you remove one of these back plates here to get to your condenser area itself here, you'll see this hole, and this hole will be full of ice. The whole tray here is basically will be full of ice. If you use a hair dryer or hot water, or just leave your door open, empty your refrigerator and freezer, and leave it out for about 48 hours or so. The ice will melt. You'll be able to get access to this. Once this is all cleared, though, sometimes your job may not be over. What you'll have to do now is you might have to inspect the drainage tube itself. If you go to the back of the refrigerator, there'll be a plate covering up the back, a couple screws. You remove that plate, and you'll see this drainage tube. This drainage tube here is what's connected to the other side of the freezer. If you just remove this drainage tube, you'll see this valve or grommet. I'm not sure the correct name for this thing, but you remove it. A lot of times this thing here will get clogged with some debris, or it sort of freezes shut, and it'll stick shut too. This is probably not the best design in the world here for a robust system. But if you remove this and you clean it out, and you get these holes working properly by opening them up, go ahead and clean it up, and maybe run some water through a little bit of water through the system, and then go ahead and put the system back together. I'm sure your refrigerator is going to work just fine. One other note is be sure to practice all safety practices, and go ahead and unplug the refrigerator before you work to it, and be sure not to touch anything you're not supposed to. Thank you. If you have any comments, go ahead and leave them in the comments section.